Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we're going to crochet a legoma. It is for 4 years old. This is how it looks like, so let's go started. Materials you will need, it is scissors, hook. In this size you are going to use a 3.5mm hook and a yarn. For yarn I'm using seagull, so I'll use double strand. First you need to start with a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, you will chain 50. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's meet at chain 50. I have 50 chains. You will need stitch markers as well. So after making 50 chain, you will chain 1 more for turning into row 1. So for row 1, first 10 chains you will make a single crochet. You will make 10 single crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After making 10 single crochet, remove your hook and put a stitch marker. After making 10 single crochet, you will make 30 double crochets. So you will yarn over, move to the next chain, make a double crochet. This is 1. Go to the next, make another double crochet. 2. Keep on making double crochets until you have 30 double crochets. The thing is, we want to make 10 single crochets at this end, also another 10 single crochets at this end, so that it will look like this. Let's meet at the end. After making 30 double crochets, this is how it looks like. So we have 10 chains remaining. We are going to make 10 single crochets. This is 1. Put your stitch marker. No. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how row 1 looks like. What we are going to do for row 2, we are going to chain 1, turn your work and make 10 single crochets, back loops. We are going to work back loops only. So this is 1. Keep on making single crochets until where your stitch marker is. Make single crochets until where your stitch marker is. Ensure that they are 10. This is 2, 3. Let's meet at the stitch marker. At the stitch marker, you will remove your stitch marker. Make 10 single crochets. 10 single crochet here. So after making 10 single crochets back loops only, put again your stitch marker. Now we are at the middle. From this stitch to this stitch we worked double crochet. So we are going to make double crochets back loops only. So you will yarn over, go to the back loop of this chain, make a double crochet like this. Ensure they are 30 or depending the size that you made. Keep on working. Let's meet at the stitch marker. So after making 30 double crochets, we are at the stitch marker. You will remove your stitch marker and to the back loop make single crochet, put your stitch marker, then keep on working single crochets up to the end. This is the easiest crochet piece to make. So let's meet at the end. I tell you what to do. Ensure that you don't miss any stitch. Now I'm at the end. This is what we are going to do. For the rest of your work, where the stitch marker is, you're going to make single crochet. From the stitch marker up to this other one, you will make double crochet. Then from stitch mark up to the end, we're going to make a single crochet. So keep on working the rest of the work remaining until you get the size you want. I will tell you the number of rows that I've made at the end. Keep on working. Let's meet at the end.
I am at the end. Let's count how many rows we have made. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I made 20 rows. Now we are going to make slip stitches all along. To make a slip stitch, move to this end, insert your hook, insert your hook here, then move here, make a slip stitch. Front loop, back loop of this side, make a slip stitch.
Mama, look down.
Move at this end,
One.
front loop, back loop on the other side, make a slip stitch. Make slip stitches all the way long until at the end.